Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload longer videos to Instagram Story. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, as we all know, Instagram Stories only allow us to upload 60 seconds of a video. Okay. Now there's a workaround, as there is no straightforward way here in the Instagram app to upload a video that is more than a minute. Okay. So how do we do that? Just open up your Play Store or App Store like so. Open it up. Now let's go ahead and download an app. Tap on the search function. Now tap on the search bar right here at the top right. Now look for Video Splitter like so, and then tap on enter. In here, you'll find a ton of options. You can go ahead and select whatever app you want in here. Okay, just for this video, I'm going to use this one, Video Splitter. All right, this is more efficient as you won't need to cut it one by one when using a video editor. All right, it will just cut every 30 second or 60 second in the video easily. Now I'm just going to show you. Let's just wait for it to install. As you can see here, it's done. I'm going to hit on open. Wait for it to load. Skip. Split a video. Select this option. Hit on allow to access your gallery. Now let's say, for example, I'm going to select this video right here. Okay, this one. As you can see here, it has 60 seconds and 14 minutes. So basically it will be cut into two sections. But if you want to use 30 seconds, well, it will be cut more. Just tap on it. Okay, you can go ahead and choose the time in here. Tap on the plus sign like so, or use the slider right here. You can go ahead and select 30 like so, or 60 or 1 minute. Make sure that it is set to 59 point something, not greater than 60. Okay, tap on the check mark right here at the top. Wait for it to process. It says here loading ads. Just skip the ads. Now rename a folder, for example, split for Instagram like so, and hit on done. And simply wait for the process to finish. It's done. As you can see here, it is now separated into two videos. Okay, one with 59 and the rest is here. So just basically go back to Instagram like so, open it up, then go back to your story right here at the top left, tap on it. Now in here, starting from the right, we have the 1 minute, tap on it, share it, then go back, add another story like so, and tap on the other section. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.